Good morning from a currently sunny Tramore, County Waterford. And we are going to be doing a few lives from site visits today, one or two, and maybe something over on Instagram. So I thought I'd just, set the scene. It's okay, my car clock is wrong. It says it's 10 past 2 on my car clock, but that's obviously not right. It's currently before 9 o'clock in the morning, like 20 to 9, 10 to 9 or something. And we've dropped my son off and we are in a service station in Tramore, filling the car before we go on our site visit. And I just, I kind of wanted to rat John out because he pulls the weirdest, like, dad jokes. We're sitting at the traffic lights and he starts, like, moving. And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? And he goes, shimmying like a simian. And he goes, that's a t-shirt. And I was like, no, that's not a t-shirt. You can't put that in. Well, it's not a t-shirt for like Elon Otter Press. And he's like, it is a t-shirt. I was like, it's not Irish. You can't put that in our shop. And he says, yeah, well, like an Irish person said it. So like, of course it's Irish. And I was like, no, I'm calling it no. And it was like, traditions evolve, Laura. Which is something that somebody told me once to excuse uh, mangling and appropriating a certain part of Irish culture. So it's kind of become a bit of a catchphrase for us, like traditions evolve when we're being absolutely fucking ridiculous. So this is maybe a little more insight than you need. So he's quiet for a few minutes and then he starts talking about how he's going to put it in a story where the Dagda shows up to collect the Morrigan and she's like dressed for business because they're away for the weekend and he's wearing this t-shirt and the t-shirt says shimmying like a simian and she's horrified at this t-shirt and he's talking about this and I'm like, is this going to be like your excuse for like getting this t-shirt into the shop? And he goes, yes it is. So as we're driving down, he's just been shimmying the whole time. He filled the car and then walked in front of the car, still shimmying. So later on Instagram, you may get treated to a little video of John shimmying like a simian. Shimmying like a simian. Okay, Slán.